So last week we saw how to work on with if conditions and loops, everything. So today we will continue on the same. So let me create one back here. So we'll go a small recap as last week what we saw. Then after that again we'll go. So print even numbers. Guys, for everyone is my video clarity is not good. For everyone is my video clarity. Are you not able to see it properly? It's good. Okay, cool. Ramya, from your end, can you just disconnect and then can you connect once? Or might be actually what a net problem or something might be. Good. Okay, so let me try to print actually what first continuous numbers from 1 to 10. So if I want to print numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first, if I want to print some numbers over there, so what is the first thing we need to know? So we need to know actually what, where we need to start the loop. So loop starts from 1 and then where the loop ends by 10. Next, whether it's an increment or it's a decrement over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's an increment. So it's an increment by 1. Okay. So this is what first 3 things we need to know. Based on that only we will run the loop. So now I'll come here. See, for integer I is equal to 1. So I'm starting the loop from 1. Then I told you where to stop the loop. I need to stop the loop by 10. So if I need to stop the loop by 10, so I is less than or equal to 10. Okay. So I started the loop by 1. Then I'm asking it to end the loop by less than or equal to 10. That is till 10 you can run the loop. Then I want to increment it. So I'm giving I plus plus. So that it increases I value by 1 for every iteration. Then just simply you print scissor I. So now what will happen right now for me? So first iteration starts from 1. Then 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, prints me 1 year. Then on the second iteration only actually what the I value will be incremented by 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, prints me 2. Then after the next actually what? I value will be incremented by 3. Then 3 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, then prints me 3. Then I value will be 4, 5, 6 like that it runs and till 10 it will be running. Once it becomes as 11, 11 is less than or equal to 10. No, then after that it stops over there. Got it? See, I'll move the console here. Console is a place where we get the output. Got it? So now we know how to print actually what numbers from 1 to 10. So I'll just print some dashes here. So now I want to print even numbers. So if I want to print even numbers from 1 to 10, okay, print even numbers from 1 to 10. So that means what will be my output? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so how I will know whether a number is an even or not? Okay, that is what first. So I already told you, whenever you want to write any program, first thing is actually what first you need to know manually what will happen, what you need to do. Then second thing, identify the logic. Third, only you should write the program. Same steps we are going to follow. So here, loop starts from where? 1. Loop starts from 1. Loop ends by 10 because I need to find the even numbers from 1 to 10. Then after that, next thing is actually what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that it's coming. So that means it's an increment. Okay, so we identified this. Then how we will know whether a number is an even number or not? Manually. So we will try to divide a number by 2, and then if we get the remainder as 0, that means we are sure actually what the number is an even number. Okay, so that is the same logic we need to do. So first we will take 1. So first we will take over 1. I need to divide it by 2. So what is my output? It will be actually what, something 0.5 or something like that. So it gets me actually what, some other number which is a point decimal like that. Okay. So next thing, divided by 2. So 2 twos are, so 2 into 1 it's equal to 2 over there. The remainder is 0. So here I'll be getting around actually what, something 0.5 or 1 or something like that we will be getting. So then 3 divided by 2. Ones are 2, then I'll be getting 1 as a remainder. Then divided by 4, 2s are 4, then my remainder is 0. That is all even numbers. I'll be getting actually what, 0 as my remainders. Okay, that's the information that we found over here. So based on this, actually what I need to identify. So right now for me, if I give, so if I take this one, 2 divided by 2. So for me, the remainder is, sorry, the quotient is what? 1 for me. Okay, when I divide it by a number, that time I will be getting my quotient. The same thing, if I give 2 percentile of 2, now what will happen? My output will be my remainder. So this is called as a mod, we'll be calling. Okay, so when I give it actually what, with the mod condition, it will divide and then it will get me my remainder. Divided information get me my quotient. So mod information divide the value and then get me my remainder. So based on this only I can identify whether a number is a even number or not. So intention is actually what here, if I get my remainder as 0, that is a even number. So now if I want to run, so for loop starts from integer I is equal to 1, then I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, then here what for me, I need to start the loop from 1 and then till 10 I'll be running. Now I need to actually what, do a mod condition and then find whether the remainder is 0. So for that, if I percentile of 2, that is mod, is equal to 0, that means you have to print me over here the I value. That's it. Got it? If I do a mod condition and then after that, if it's going to get me my remainder as 0, that will give me my output as actually what is the value which are all divided by 0, that alone enters into the if condition and then after that prints me my I value for it. Got it? So now I'll go and then try to do the same thing. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Here if my I mod of 2 is equal to 0, then print me my I value. That's it. Clear? So everyone is clear on this part, guys? So how I identify whether it's a number is even or not? So can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood this part? I just want to reply from everyone. Everyone understood this? How to find it, whether a number is even or not? Great. That's great. So else condition is not mandatory, Rina. So if you want, you can use the else condition. Otherwise, actually, what it's not mandatory to use actually what the else condition. So now right click, run as Java application. See, 246810. It's printing. So we got the even numbers. So now I just want you to help me. Now I have printed the even numbers. Now I want you to print the odd numbers. Can anyone tell me? So what is the change that I need to do? Can anyone tell me what is the only change I need to do? You can put me in the chat window. Super, correct. So only thing is actually what? The same for loop I will be using. So I percentage of 2 is equal to 0 means what? It's an even number. If it is not equal to 0, that means it's a odd number. See, 13579. Got it, guys? Any questions for anyone on this? The only thing is what we did means we just made if it is not equal to 0, that means it will print me my even numbers here. Got it? So now for you assignment. Okay, what is the assignment I tell you? So you guys find the even numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, then here what you need to do means, so if the number is divisible by 5, then print the number as the value, the number divisible by 5. That's it. So for example, how my output should be means, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10 actually what if you see, it's an even number, and also actually what is a number divisible by 5 also. So I should want you to print 10 divisible by 5, then 12, 14, 16, 18, then after that 20 divisible by 5, then 22, 24, like that it should carry on. If it is divisible by 5 alone, that information alone you have to print it over there like this. That's the only one thing. Got it? Any questions for anyone on this? So how you need to use? You have to identify whether you have to use actually what an if condition alone or a if condition plus else if condition or all those things. You need to verify on that. Got it? So everyone clear on this question, guys? Okay, just give a try this one. So it is really helpful for you to understand the logic one by one. Super, great. Okay, so now that day we saw actually what sum of 5 numbers like that. So now what we will do, we will identify whether a number, okay, so we will just print actually what the Fibonacci series of the first 5 numbers or first 10 numbers like that. Okay, so we will do that. So I'm going to print the Fibonacci series. So first actually what, let me know what is Fibonacci series and then how my output will be. Then based on actually what, we will do it. See, the Fibonacci series, it will be printed like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, like that it goes on. That means the Fibonacci series will be printed like this. One, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, like that it goes on. Okay, so first we need to know how actually the Fibonacci series has been formed over there. So before we write the program, we should know how actually what the formation is done. Based on that only actually what we can find the logic. Then after that we can write a program. We can implement the program details here. Okay, so if you see, first is 1, then again 1. Okay, so first we need these two numbers. So then 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. Then okay, so first I need 1, then plus 1. Okay, that is equal to what right now for me? 2. Okay, before that I will do one more thing. So first I'll take a number which is 0. Okay, then I'll take plus 1. That is equal to 1 for me. Okay, then after that I'll take this number and then I'll store it over here. Then I'll take this number and then I'll store it over here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, then after that I'll store this number here and then I'll store this number here. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then again 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Like that it goes on. Got it? So this is what we are doing. So what is the only thing that we did means here we just made this number to change your thing. This one will come over here. This one will come over here. Same thing. This one will come here. This one will come here. The only thing is we just replacing the numbers like this. Got it? So now manually I have done and then I have found the logic. The logic is what? Just moving the numbers from one place to another place. That's what the logic I found. Okay, so for this actually what if you want to implement the program, if you see first I need these two numbers. Okay, so integer. Let me write a program to class Fibonacci. Then I'll have a main function because only when we have a main function we can execute the program. Correct? So here I told you I need first these two variables to store the value. Integer first number is equal to 0. Integer second number is equal to 1. So right now actually what for me I have stored these two numbers for me here. Okay, 0 and 1. So first thing if you see I want to print actually what this 1. Okay, then after that actually what 0 plus 1 will give me 1. So first thing I will print as of now the second number. So the second number. Why? Because if you see here it starts from 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 like that. So for me before that 1 I need to print. So that's why I just printed this 1 over here. Then after that here, okay, then after that here what we need to do is I need to actually what find the first 5 numbers or find the first 10 numbers or something here. I want to find the first 5 numbers. So I need to start the loop. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5. That is I need to find actually what the first 5 numbers, right? So that's why I'm giving it like run it for totally for 5 times over there. Got it? So first we are doing that part. Understood? Any questions on this for anyone? Okay. So first I'm finding this information. Integer I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5. Then after that I plus plus. I got it over there. Then after that year, so first information is what? First number plus second number. I need to add it. Then after that, I need to get the value. So that information, what I need to do also, we'll see. So first thing is the first number plus second number. First number plus second number. Okay, this information, if you see, the first number is what right now for me? 0, and then second number is 1. Okay, that value, if you see over there, can you see that is what? 1. That information again, I'm storing it over there, what? Second number. Okay, then the second number value, I'm storing it to the first number. So this is what I'm doing it over here. So for this, how we need to do it? Okay, so anyone like to give a try here? So I'll just give you actually what, 7:57 right now till 8. Okay, a 3 to 4 minutes of time you take it. So just try this for loop alone, how to do it. First number plus second number you have to do. Then after that, how to store it. So what we need to do, that's what I just want you to try it here. Okay, understood? So I want you to print 1 2 3 5 8 13 like that. So what to print and then how to restore it over there, that is what I want you guys to do. Okay, everyone just give a try once. If anything else need to be changed, we'll see. That's what you give a try and separately send me, Janvi. Okay, don't send to everyone, send separately to me alone, so that I just want everyone to give a try. Okay, everyone just give a try over there. So what is the change that we need to do? Hey, good guys. So most of them tried. So yes, we should have another one more variable here as sum. We can have another one more variable here as sum over here. So what for? We'll see now. Integer sum is equal to 0. Okay, good. So then now what I'm going to do, the first number plus second number is there, right? So what is the value right now? 0 plus 1. That value I'm going to store it to the sum variable. That is sum is equal to the first number plus the second number. Okay, so we'll also see over there one more information here. So I have told I have three variables. So first number, then after that my second number, then my sum. Okay, three things here. So initially the first number value is what right now for me? That is 0. The second number value is what? 1. The sum value is what? 0 for me. Okay, good. Then next actually what I'm trying to print the second number value. What is my second number value? That is 1. So that will print me 1 right now. Then I'm starting the loop from 1 to 5. Then after that here, first number plus second number. So that is what? 0 plus 1. That value will be what? 1. I'm storing it over there to the sum variable. 1. Okay. Then after that, actually what I need to do, I need to replace the values here. So this is sum. So this is first number, this is second number, and then this is sum. Okay. I need to replace it like this. So that is the second number value to first number, the sum value to the second number. So that is here I should give first number is equal to second number. Okay, first number is equal to second number. That is the 0 will be replaced with 1. Then the second number should be replaced with sum. Now actually what? This will become as 1 and this will become as 1 for me. Got it? Both the things replaced. Now what happened? The loop increments. Now actually what? So it has been, right now actually what? It has been replaced, and then also I need to print also, right? I have not printed. Give me a minute. So now I will print CISO second number. So always I'll try to print the second number information over there. So if I keep it over here, so what is that I'm going to get? So usually it should be kept in this place. Before the replacement, we should be able to do it. I try to print the sum over there. So we'll see actually what is the output we are getting. Okay, so after the addition, so I got the sum, right? So that information, let me try to print. So we'll see what is that we are going to get. So now first number plus actually what? The second number is there, right? So that value is what right now for me? 1. So that is what the sum. So it will print me 1 here. Then after that, the replacement has been done for me. Okay, then only the replacement has been done. Then next actually what? The loop increments to 2. First number plus second number. So first number plus second number is what? 1 plus 1. That will be what? 2. Store it over to the sum variable. Stored. Then after that I'm printing the sum. That is what? 2. Then first number equal to second number equal to sum. So this second number value will come here. Then actually what? The sum variable value will come here. Then next I value will be incremented to 3. First number plus second number. 1 plus 2 will be what? 3. Storing it to sum. Then next I'm printing the sum variable value, that is 3. Then first number equal to second number equal to sum. So the 2 will come here. Then the sum variable value 3 will come here. Then next I value will be incremented to 5. So first number plus second number, that is 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5, stored in sum variable. Then I'm printing the sum variable, that is 5. Then next first number equal to second number equal to sum. So that is here it will be 3, then here it will be 5. Okay. Then after that actually what? Now it becomes as 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5? No. Then comes out of the loop. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. We got it. If you increase some more loops over there, it will become as 8, 13, like that it goes on. Understood, guys? So once again, let me write over there. So Fibonacci. So initially I told you we need two variables. First number is equal to 0, I'll give integer. Second number is equal to 1. Then I need another variable called sum. That value should be 0. Then here right now at the initially I am going to print my second number value. So that what it will print me 1 there. Okay. Then I'm running the loop starting from 1 to 5. It's an increment. Okay. We got it over there. Then after that here what I need to do, I need to do the addition and then after that replacement also. So here I'm going to give first number plus second number. That value I need to store it over there to the sum variable. So that is 0 plus 1 will be what? 1 stored it into the sum variable. Then I'm trying to print it. This is a sum. Okay. Then after that I need to do the replacement. So first number is equal to second number. Second number is equal to sum I'm going to give. That means the second number value that will be actually what stored to the first number. Then the sum value will be stored to the second number. Okay. Then after that I value will be incremented to 2. Then after that 1 plus 1 that will be 2. It will print me 2. Then it will be replaced actually what here 1 and then this second number to 2. Then next it will be incrementing. Then likewise it goes on 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 plus 3 equal to 8, like that it goes on. So let me run this. See 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Understood, guys? Anyone has any questions so far? So good. So why in sum is equal to 0? Why it just not in sum? Yes, you can give like this also. Actually, if you don't give anything, the default value for the integer actually what it will be taken as 0. You can give like this also. Both are correct. Got it? So why we given second number in first system? Because why the information is because first for me I want to print 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's the reason here 0 plus 1 became. So initially actually what I just want to print the second number because here once a calculation has been added, it will start actually what printing from here only. So that's the reason. See, in case if I have not given the second number here, it will print me actually what only from the 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, not the 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So initially, I want this 1 also to be printed because Fibonacci series starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. That's why I'm trying to print it like this. Any questions for anyone, guys? Okay, cool. So before going to the next program, what is this, Purnima? Sum is equal to sum 1 plus sum 2. Then sum 2 is equal to sum. What is this? I'm not understanding. Sum 1 plus sum 2. Is the value is coming correctly for you? because someone is like a first number here, first number and then the second number, hopefully correct. So then sum 2 is equal to sum you are giving over there. So sum 2 is what? That is my second number. Second number you are trying to store it over there to the sum. But the thing is actually what? Here, first actually what you have to print the sum. That is later on actually what if you give it over in this place, my output will be different. That is the replacement will be done at the beginning. After that only your printing means the values will not be correct. So that's the reason we have to print the sum at the beginning itself. Okay, sum is okay because we are not replacing the sum over there. So second number if I want to print over there, it will be changed. It can be anywhere because we are not replacing the sum with any information. Only the sum value has been pushed to second number. Got it? Okay, cool guys. So before going to the next program, so can everyone actually what ping me separately your mail IDs alone? So is anyone has not received any mails from my side? Is everyone is receiving mails for the sessions? If anyone is not receiving, can you just separately send me in the chat window? Yes, Srinivas, we can print after that also. So because some information we are not printing actually what? So we're not replacing the some variable value. So that's the thing. It can be given here or anywhere. Both the places it will work. Only the first number and then second number values are replaced. That's why actually what this can be printed anywhere. Anyone has any questions, guys?
Nothing, Murli. You have my email ID, right? Barkha here.
Oh yeah, yes, Barka. Okay, you're not receiving for this session, right?
No.
Cool. I will just add you over there.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, I'll do that. Others, everyone, you guys are getting, guys. So others, everyone are receiving my mail IDs, right? My mails, right? Super. Good. Thanks, guys. So this one is what you're asking. Sirsha, you're not receiving. You're not receiving my mails. Okay. I don't know. Previous two sessions, have you received? Okay, cool. I'll add you in the list. Sure. Okay. Cool guys. So next we will go for the next information over there. So we will try to actually what go for where how to find whether a number is prime number or not. So we'll have actually a 5 minute break. Then 8:20 we will again connect. Then we'll take for the 10 minutes for the how to find whether the number is a prime number or not. So we'll have a 10 minutes break. Then we will start. Today's session after the class is completed within 1 hour I'll send guys. I'll send you after 1 hour once the session is completed. Okay, Srinivas. I'll add yours also. So hopefully, I just want to know whether you guys have received it for the Thursday and Friday session. Anyone has not received for the Thursday and Friday session? That is what I just want to know. Yeah. You received, right, Srinivas? Yeah. Then your mail ID is there in the list with me. Sashi also I have added over there, so you also will receive. Cool. Okay, guys. So we'll have a break till 8:20. Then we will start with how to find whether a number is a prime number or not. Sure, Shashi. I'll do that. Thank you. Hey guys, we'll continue. So now we'll see actually what how to verify whether a number is a prime number or not. So that's what we're going to see. So first thing actually what before going, as I told you, first we need to know what is a prime number, all those stuffs. Then only actually what we will be able to write the logic and then write the program for it. So how to verify whether a number is a prime number or not? Okay, so for me, the number is a prime number means it should be divided by 1 or it should be divided by the same number. It should not be divided by other numbers. Then only we know it's a prime number. Okay, so a number should be divided by only by 1 or its same number. It should not be divided by the other numbers. Then only it's called as a prime number. So it's so simple actually what we have already seen actually what how to verify whether the number is divisible or not by verifying the remainder is 0. That means we will confirm that actually what the number is divisible or not. Correct? So if the number is actually but not divisible, then we will get some other value apart from 0. So that is what we need to verify. So if I take one number, actually what for example it has 7, I need to divide it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7 means actually what? We know it will be divided by 1 and then also it will be divided by 7. So we need to verify in between the numbers starting from 2. So that means always my loop will start from 2. End by the number which I am trying to find less than the number. Okay, so for example, if I take 5 as my number means I need to divide the number by 2, 3, 4. Same thing, if my number is 6, I need to verify it by actually what? 2 and then 3, 4, 5. But if you see one more information is here, means so if I divide it by 6 divided by 2, that itself says actually what? If the remainder is 0, that is the number is actually what? Not a prime number. Is it necessary for me to continue with 3, 4, 5? Not necessary. So whenever I have facing this information, I need to break the loop there itself. 7, if you see, it will be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to check. Same thing if it is 8. When I come for 2 itself, we'll come to know whether it's a prime number or not. It is not a prime number. When I come to 9, so by 2 it will not be divided. By 3 it will be divided. I should come out of it. So this is what the confirms actually what the prime number. So to information, I need to start the dividing by 2 and then till less than the original number. And in case if the number is divisible by 0, I need to break the loop and then come out of it. That is the main thing. Okay, so for this I need to write it. So simple to do. If you see class prime number, then I'll have public static void main string arguments I should have. So I'll take this number. So P number, I'll just take something. I need to verify this number 5 is a prime number or not. So that means where I need to start the loop. So I all know always I need to start the loop from 2 only, because see I always need to start the loop from 2. Then where I need to end the loop, I is less than, here my number is what? Prime number. So 5 means I need to run from 2, 3, 4. That means I is less than P number. That is 5 means less than 5. That is it will loop will run for 2, 3, 4. That's what here. Then next thing is, so here is the place I need to divide the number. Okay, so if my I value, the prime number is divisible by I, okay, then if it is equal to 0, that means what? The number is not a prime number, correct? If it is divisible by 0, the number is not a prime number. So I can just print it over there, not a prime, and then can I come out of it? Else condition over there, what it will do? That is actually what? It will go and then confirms one by one. So one more thing actually what? If it is divided by the number and then it gives me a 0, one more thing, I can break the loop and then I should come out of it. Because after that, it's not necessary for me to verify to whether the number will be divisible or not by other numbers over there. So once if I verify and then if it is divided by some other number, then I need to again cross verify for the other numbers. So that's the thing actually what we need to stop the loop there itself. Okay, let me first try to do this. Okay, so everyone understood what we did till now? Okay, I will do here, see, int prime number is equal to 5 I'm giving. Then I need to start the loop from where? 2, because I know I need to start the loop from 2 and then end the loop till the less than the number which I need to find whether it's a prime or not. That is the information. Then if my prime number I'm going to divide it by I is equal to 0 means, okay, that is it confirms me actually what this is a prime number. Got it? So that is my information mainly over there. If you divide by any of one number also, it is not a prime number. So I will print CISO not a prime. Got it? Not a prime number it will do. Okay. So now we'll see whether actually what this completely solves my problem or not. Then after that, outside the for loop, finally if it verifies everything, then after that actually what I need to confirm me whether it's a prime number. But how I will confirm? Simply I cannot write it over here. CISO, it's a prime number. See now, I'll run it for 5. We'll see whether how it works. So right click, run as Java application. So it's a prime number. Okay, it prints for me. The same thing if I give it over there for 9. Right click, run as Java application. It's printing me it's not a prime number. Also it's printing me it's a prime number. Okay, so this is the problem here. So how to solve this? So simple. At the beginning itself, I can have one variable Boolean status equal to false. I'll give. I'll just give true. I'll just give it as true at the beginning. Now, if it's going to divide by any of this number, here what I will do, I will just give an information status is equal to false. I'm going to make it like this. Along with it, I also need to break the loop. Unnecessarily, I don't want to run for everything also I told you, right? Because if it's divided by any of one number and then if I got it as 0, then it's not needed for me to verify for the other numbers I told. Okay, then here I should give an information if status is equal to true, then after that you can just print it over there. It's a prime number. See, right click, run as Java application. So 9 is not a prime number. I'll just give it as 3. It's a prime number. So how it's been doing also we will just see once. So here I'll just, how many times it's going to run the loop. Just I'm printing I over there so that we'll know how many times it's running. So for the 3, it runs for 2 alone. Then same thing if it is for 5, it should run for 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I just changed over here. Yeah. So here I changed a 5 instead of, yeah, wrongly before I changed the 2 value to 5. See, it ran for 2, 3, 4. Same thing if I run for 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it should run. Same thing if it is I run for 6 means by 2 itself we'll come to know actually what it's a not a prime number. That's it. Clear? Got it, guys? Everyone understood how to verify whether the number is a prime number or not? Everyone has got the idea how to verify the number is a prime number or not? Can everyone ping me in the chat window as yes, if you're able to understand? Okay, super. Cool. Great, guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. So from today onwards, actually what the demo session has been done. So I will just forward you actually what the payment details over there, the consultancy, their team actually what they will be sending to you. So you can make the payment over there. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start with actually the regular Java installation and then the Eclipse installation and then how a program will be executed. So we are going to start the session from tomorrow onwards. So demo classes have been completed today. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start our regular session. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Tomorrow also the same meeting ID, guys. Same meeting ID. So 7:30 a.m. you will be starting. Thank you.